today I want to show you guys fabulous, wonderful cube boxes that we have for organizing. So we're in Brother's room today because we're going to organize while he's not here. So it comes with 4 of these, and I love how compact they are. How fantastic is this? But it's very simple to go ahead and to make them bigger. They have a handle on both sides. You don't even need to hold the handle. But as you can see, they just automatically open. And then this right here is another cardboard piece. Then when you push that down in there, now they're stable. So now that we have the 4 boxes, Owen has a lot of what?
Books.
A lot of books. Okay. And so what I'm going to do is, because there's 4 boxes, and then it also comes with 4 tags. So you could just go ahead, and I'm going to write books on here. And then we just loop it around and hook it on here. So then when we stick it back in his closet and he wants to pull out books, it's just as simple as he pulls out the tag that says books. So we can go ahead and load it up. And these boxes also come in different colors. We've gotten the pink ones for my daughter, and so these ones are this beautiful blue color for my son. And you can see we put in at least like 12 books in here, and there is still room to spare. So once we're done organizing, I think our son will be super happy. Should we get going, Soph?
Yeah.
Good.